This goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things.
One to clap hard.
That there is always a curious tie at some point. Between the fall and the creation.
If it's a problem, yeah, I'm ready for it. I ain't backing down for nothing.
There's some black people dying in scary movie shit. Fuck this shit. Chris!
Jungle, this Honduras, mask on in the wild forest.
People around the world. So, keep working, keep striving, never give up. Never give up. Sometimes get upbeat.
This goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie at some point.
I ain't backing down for nothing. I always handle my business. Always the topic of discussion, cause that's how I do it.
Tony the Magnus,
Ivan the Sadist.
director's cut to a synopsis. Wild Loch Ness, the deep Nazareth. Chapters guide you, push Mac cartridges in your rifle.
Push.
Lead you to your rival between a kinetic and evil. React if the mask glows. Trophies like Jalen and Burrow. Trophies, cool kids and assholes. Life goes and lost souls. Fall out all drowsy. Still rocking designer. Feel a major, never minor. Switch, turn your power off like it was made in China.
Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. You see, for all, life is an act of faith and an act of gamble.
Persona. Lamas.
The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith.
Take that ride in luxurious turf. Who gets it to work? Gets it to work. We are heroes.
This goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things.
Look in the mirror.
We are
That-
heroes.
There is always a curious tie at some point.
Whether we sex after a champagne bath, vast Lamass ain't gotta ask. She's the blood in the vast, the power to my mass.
Shut up, okay?
Tight. I hope she right. I hope she wild for the night with heel spikes. I hope it game so sharp it cut up meat as thin as rice. The dress fall to the floor. Nice cigar, champagne ice. I hope she tight. I hope she right. I hope she wild for the night with heel spikes. I hope it game so sharp it cut up meat as thin as rice. The dress fall to the floor.